Hi, I'm Anisha. I'm a doctor living in UK, and Boxing Day has been there and there's sales everywhere. I wanted you to run through my Bicester Village haul and a little bit of shopping that I've done from elsewhere. So let's quickly dive in. My first pick was from Marc Jacobs, and this is a bag जिसके साथ एक extra handle भी आता है, and this is a nice broad handle, and this was originally quite expensive, around £200 I think, but I bought it for £99. Going to the next one is this beautiful Burberry bag, and there was a fantastic offer in Burberry. There was an additional 50% off the outlet price, and this is the bag that I picked up from them. This costed me around £276, and this has decent space. I think you can easily put in your wallet and your phone. तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे इस प्राइस के लिए, and this comes under the premium luxury brand. So I think 275, 276 for a Burberry was decent. But I must say that this time I was a bit surprised by the sales and offer. I've been in the UK for the last 5 years, and I go there almost on every Boxing Day, and the sales are amazing. बहुत सारे offers होते हैं, but इस बार I found the offers not that great, and it was the discounted price weren't that low. A few things were good, but not everything. So overall, I would say that it was not the best shopping experience that I've had at Bicester. The next is Uggs. If you live in UK, you know that the winters are really cold, and Uggs are like a very comfortable shoe brand. This whole lining inside is of fur, and it keeps your feet really warm. And I have flat feet, so I require shoes with good support, and I feel Uggs really give that good arch support, and there are shoes which are specific for that. So this is something that I bought for £64. Normally जितने मैंने देखे हैं सारे Uggs are 100 and over, but this was just around 64. So I think it's a good buy. It's a nice beige color with nice sort of fur, very comfortable to wear in, has a nice snug fit to it. So this is one pair, and I love Uggs. I've sort of fallen in love with this brand and the comfort it offers, and the deal in Uggs were really nice. This is the first time I have shopped in the Bicester Village outlet, and so I'm not very sure whether they always come down to this price or this year was special. I had actually tried Uggs at Ashton Outlet Mall, which is closer to London, and I never saw anything which was below £90. So this was a really good offer that I found at Bicester Village. These are another pair of black boots with a nice sort of fur, at the ankle. And this has an adjustable sort of button over here. This again I picked up at £64 about. Yeah, this was around £64. Usually they are at least £100 and over, so I thought they were a very good deal. But I must say that you should always make a good sort of thorough check of what you're picking. The one that I picked up at the Ashton Outlet Mall has a very good solid sole. The sole in this was slightly less as compared to that, and the comfort of this is slightly less as compared to that. So I don't know if it is slightly cheaper because of that, but nevertheless ये बहुत ही comfortable है, and this really keeps your feet warm. So let's see how this pair works out. The most important shopping and the most priced one that I have got, and you can see the happiness that I have. It's not a bag, but it's a belt, and this is from Dior. I absolutely love this belt. Can you see this gold buckle detailing over here? And this is a reversible belt. You have white on one side and you have beige on this side. and this is about 85 centimeters and is basically something that I can wear for dresses. It's not something I can wear on my jeans, but I absolutely love this. This was around 372 pounds. By no way is this cheap, or I wouldn't say it's very affordable either, but I splurged on this. I didn't really want to buy too many bags because I have enough. I wanted to invest on a good belt, so I got Dior ka belt. Dior didn't have any sales or any offers. Whatever the outlet prices were, this was the only price that was available. And when I asked them, like, do they come up with offers in Dior, what the lady told me is there are just 2 Dior stores across UK, and there's just this one outlet. So I don't think they really do very high discounts on their products. And the other important thing that I can contribute at this point is there is not much meaning in going on Boxing Day, especially if you're looking for brands like Dior, because they don't really go on high discounts and they don't really slash their prices. So if you just want a very leisure experience जहाँ भीड़ भड़ाका नहीं हो, आराम से आप जाकर अपनी चीज़ें देख सकते हो, so you can go on any day to Bicester Village and then go into the Dior store. Another thing this time that I noticed was that the crowd was far less this time as compared to the previous experiences that I've had. I've always gone on 26th of December, which is the actual Boxing Day, and it is so crowded that you're standing in queues for like hours and even to get in. And once you get in, it's like a fish market. You're like pushing through people trying to get into stores, and nobody is able to attend to you. This time I changed and I went on the 27th, which was a day after the Boxing Day, and I was very pleasantly surprised that the crowd was minimal and you could navigate through every store easily. You could take your time and pick your products, and the discounts were not different from on what it is on Boxing Day. So I highly recommend that you don't go on 26th but a day or two later, and that definitely enhances your shopping experience and the comfort with which you can see things from other stores, which will come up in my next video. See you, ta-ta.